Welcome to a new art journaling video. For my Wednesday art journal series, I have the theme glitter this time. My page has already some leftover paints on it and I go in with gesso. I make some marks with pastel pencils. I make sure that the background is completely dry before I go in with a stamp and Versamark ink. I add some background stamping. The little dog is a drawing for me and I scanned it to the computer to use it as a printable in my art journal pages, and I color it in with Inktense pencils. I also use Versamark ink for my sentiment and I will emboss it with a black powder. I accidentally ripped the head of my dog, but that doesn't matter because I just glue it down to the page. Thanks for joining me today. Please give me a thumb up if you like the video. Bye!